Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GASL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, price was all over the place today. Massive close on Friday with the big surge upwards. Then a nasty gap down. Price came up, pulled back, and the pullback here is what makes this very interesting going forward, because the pullback point where it did level off and go sideways was quite literally right at that green line and that support level that I talked about on Friday being very important. So good to see that this level here at 13 cents did indeed hold up as support. And the reason why this is so important, I'm not saying this will occur not necessarily on Tuesday, really anytime, but if the price were to break down below 13 and continue on down, at that point, what would that be giving you? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be giving you the price right back inside of that range that it just recently broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But again, to be fair, so far so good. You would want to see the price hold above 13 cents. And on this pullback here, 13 cents is immediately where it started to go sideways. So keep a very close eye on 13 cents. A lot of people are going to be watching that level. Like I said, for just the simple reasoning that if the price breaks to the downside and then continues to separate, that is from a very literal perspective, putting the price right back to where it was. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on that resistance trend line there. So that's going to be the near-term level to watch as far as kind of judging the current selling pressure that has arisen in the share price. So watch that to gauge the selling pressure. If the price can get a good high volume break of there, then the next key overarching level becomes up there at 19 cents. But no point right now in putting really any focus on 19 cents until the price can first prove itself in the near term by breaking above that resistance trend line right there. Good news is it's only Monday, still 4 days left this week. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.